Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the vehicle to ACC or run so the Uconnect system is active. This supplies Bluetooth services. Next, make sure your phone's Bluetooth is on and unlocked, because some phones block pairing when locked. Check which Uconnect or radio you have. 2011 Cherokees often use Uconnect 3.0. This matters for menu names. Once done, you're ready to enter the radio's pairing menu and begin discovery from the vehicle side. You press the phone or menu button on the Uconnect radio and choose Pair Device or Add New Device. This makes the head unit discoverable. Then, on your phone, pick the Uconnect or radio name as it appears in the Bluetooth list. The vehicle initiates the connection. When a PIN appears, compare it to the radio display and confirm on both sides. This verifies identity and prevents accidental pairing. Make sure to allow contact and message access. You finish by confirming the radio shows connected, then place a test call and play audio to verify both call and media profiles work. If pairing fails, remove any previous Uconnect entries from your phone, restart both devices, and try again. Many failures are cached profiles. For persistent problems, a soft reset of the radio or checking the vehicle's infotainment fuse helps. If needed, update your phone's OS or perform a Uconnect factory reset to clear corrupted settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.